In this video, you will see how to unhide rows in Excel on Mac. You can unhide rows one by one or all at once. Let's get started. As you can see here, we don't have row 1 and the row starts from 2. So if I want to unhide the row 1, I need to go at the interface here between this, right click, and then I will see here the option of unhide. After clicking on this option, first row will be unhide. You may have multiple rows that are unhide in your Excel. For example, I will hide them like this, and once they are hidden, you will see here dark line. So you know that the rows are hidden here. In case you have multiple rows, you can press and hold the command button and press A on your keyboard to select all the rows and columns. Now go to rows, right click, and then select the option unhide. So this will unhide all the rows in the Excel sheet. Similarly, if you have hidden columns, for example here A column is missing, so we just need to right click and then go to unhide, and in this way we can unhide both rows and columns in Excel on Mac. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.